can hold her hand, show her how you cry, explain to her your weakness so she understands, then roll over and die. You can bury decisions, but when you crumble up inside, spend your time asking everyone else's permission, then run away and hide. You can sit on chimneys, put some fire up your ass. No need to know what you're doing or waiting for, if anyone should ask. Tell them I've been cooking coconut skins and we've been hanging out. Tell them God just dropped by to forgive our sins and relieve us our down. Oh la 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 la. You can hold her eggs, but your basket has a hole. You can lie between her legs and go looking for, tell me you're searching for her soul. You can wait for ages, watch your compost turn to gold. Time is contagious, everybody's getting old. You can sit on chimneys, put some fire up your ass. No need to know what you're doing or waiting for, if anyone should ask.